Our guest speaker tonight is Mr. Adam Bechle. He comes from Wisconsin Sea Grant in Madison. In this role as coastal engineer with Sea Grant, he helps Great Lakes communities develop plans for dealing with coastal hazards like erosion, flooding, high lake levels, low lake levels. All of this we're familiar with. He researches hazard studies and develops tools and plans for our local governments as well as local citizens to mitigate the impacts of coastal hazards. And I've been on the island about 30 years now. So we've seen the effects of low lake levels when we couldn't get out of the marina and the dock ended up under the boat. That's not good when you get that call. And we've certainly seen what high lake levels do to our neighbors, our lake shores. So it's about our community, ourselves, and our neighbors to understand these coastal dynamics, which are very relevant to us. So Adam is a PhD in civil engineering and environmental engineering out of the University of Wisconsin in Madison. So a moment to say, Adam, thank you for the work you do, and welcome to Madeline Island.